Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Streamlabs for high quality recording settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Streamlabs and navigate to the settings menu by clicking the gear icon at the bottom left. In the settings menu, select the output tab. Under output mode, choose advanced to access detailed recording settings. In the recording section, set the recording path to your preferred folder where you want to save your recordings. For recording format, select MKV4 Better post-recording editing options. Next, choose the encoder. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENC for efficient hardware encoding. For quality preset, choose high quality or lossless, depending on your needs and system capabilities. Set the rate control to CQP for consistent quality, keeping the CQ level around 15 for a good balance. Adjust the audio bitrate to 320 kbps for high-quality audio capture. Now, move to the Video tab in the settings. Set your base resolution to your desired recording resolution, typically 1920 by 1080 for HD quality. For output resolution, you may want to scale down depending on your hardware. A common choice is 1280 x 720. Set the common FPS values to 30 or 60 based on your recording preference. In the Audio tab, ensure your desktop audio device is set to the correct output device. Select your microphone in the Mic/Auxiliary Audio Device dropdown. Now go to the Video settings and set the recording frame rate to match the FPS set earlier. Finally, click Done to save all your settings. To test your configuration, start a recording and verify the output quality. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test recording. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.